How are you?
Hi ma'am, how are you?
Good, 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 good. Yes, guys, tell me.
Okay ma'am, you promote ambition so much, but only being ambitions does not work, right? So one must have those leader-like qualities. But ma'am, being pack of sheeps में रह के कोई ambitions तो नहीं बन सकता है.
Okay, I think I get your question. It's a very good question. Thank you so much. See, first and foremost, a pack of sheep is something which everyone follows, right? इसीलिए हम उसको sheep factor कहते हैं, right? जहाँ पे पूरी sheeps का एक झुंड एक साथ जाता है, वहीं पर बाकी सारे sheep भी उनको follow करते हैं, ठीक है? But you will see there is always one leader who kind of leads the pack, right? And ऐसा बिल्कुल भी जरूरी नहीं है कि अच्छा कि शीप के उसमें फ्रॉक में रहकर भी कोई लीडर नहीं बन सकता है. लीडर बन सकते हैं. A leader, see, a follower also can be an ambitious person. A leader can also be an ambitious person. But what differentiates both of these people or both of these individuals is their characteristics, right? So that's that. So as you said that only being ambitious doesn't work, right? Which is correct, 100% correct. That's why I'm telling you the difference between being a follower and being a leader, right? Leaders are a little more ambitious, but they are very well determined, correct?
Yeah.
That's why you will always see that one person who has been into that flock of sheep, वो कभी ना कभी वहां से डाइवर्ट करके अपना एक अलग पैथ बना लेता है, right?
Yes.
So I think there's this one factor which differentiates leaders apart from being ambitious is this quality of being extremely determined, right? Determination है उनमें वो दृढ़ता होती है कि नहीं मुझे ये करना ही करना है,
Right.
ठीक है? And of course there are other qualities of a leader as well, right? But yes, it has got nothing to do with being ambitious or being not ambitious. So, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Now I'm just confused that how will you elaborate that difference between a leader and a mentor?
So I think maybe you're trying to ask me that whom do I choose,
Yeah.
right? A mentor or a leader,
Yeah.
right? So see, when you talk about leadership, it's more unanimous, ठीक है? A leader is someone जो सबको साथ में लेके चले, जो पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का भला चाहे और सबकी डेवलपमेंट पे थोड़ा थोड़ा इक्वली इम्पैक्ट करे, right? But a mentor is someone जो one-on-one relationship में ज़्यादा बिलीव करता है. That's why you will always see that आप जहाँ पे भी काम करते हो या फिर कॉलेज में भी हो, ठीक है? तो कॉलेज में भी ना you will see only a few students who are very close to some or the other teacher, right? तो वो उनको अपना mentor मानते हैं and वो लोग भी उनको डेवलप करने में उतना इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं, right? So that's very interpersonal, correct? But when you see a leader, right? जैसे अगर आप कहीं काम कर रहे हो, जैसे I said, or if you're in an organization, mostly in an organization you will see that there is only one person who leads the whole team, right? क्योंकि उसकी expertise किसी एक particular चीज में या एक particular उसका skill set होता है, which is very very helpful for the team's overall development, overall performance पे वो काफी काम आता है, correct? So that is the whole difference. And leaders, they never get into too much of interpersonal, and they don't keep that much of personal connection with you. They do impact you on a superficial level, ठीक है? मतलब एक impact leaders का to another level होता है, right? You want to literally be like them, right? But you would never want to be like your mentor, correct? अब अभी भी अगर आपका कोई mentor होगा, तो you wouldn't want to be like your mentor, but you will always see, a little like someone who motivates you or someone you idolize might be a leader, right? तो आपके दिमाग में होगा कि ओ मुझे इस इंसान की तरह बनना है, correct? So that is the whole difference, baby. And coming back to your question, जहाँ पे you said about sheeps. So I think पहली बात तो ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो हमने शायद आज तक बहुत बार सुनी है, which is आपकी संगत का असर आपकी पूरी लाइफ पर पड़ता है.
Exactly.
Right? अगर आपकी संगत ही ऐसी है कि okay, you are being around all the low performers, so you are going to be as a low performer all your life, and it impacts, it does affect
So
big
it's
time.
basically important being in a proper circle
Yes.
with the same mindset also.
Yes, that's why they say choose your circle correctly.
Yeah, right.
Right? Like for I don't know if I should say this in front of camera or no. Okay, now I am an ambitious person out and out by birth. ठीक है? It's not that कि overnight ये चीजें develop हुई हैं. But there was a point in my life also where I was surrounded by people जिनको लाइफ पे ज्यादा कुछ करना नहीं था. तो कुछ वो 2-3 साल इवन आई वाज लाइक कि अच्छा ठीक है, मे बी शायद दिस इज ऑल्सो अ गुड लाइफ और मे बी दिस इज ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट लाइफ बिकॉज दे यूज्ड टू पोर्ट्रे अ पिक्चर ऑफ दैट पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ और दैट काइंड ऑफ लाइफ बीइंग एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेट. बट वो शायद उनके लिए ग्रेट है, उनकी लेवल ऑफ थिंकिंग के हिसाब से उनके लिए वो पार्ट बहुत ग्रेट था, मेरे लिए वो नहीं था. Right, like I have been brought up in an extremely ambitious environment also. Right, my parents, my family, they have all been like ambitious people. ठीक है, तो वो संगत का असर 100% पड़ता है.
Exactly.
Right, so that's why you will see like that one person who's determined, जैसे मैं बता रही थी, that one person who's determined ना, या फिर जिस दिन बोलते ना जब जागो तब सवेरा, जिस दिन उनको समझ में आ जाता है कि okay no, this is not something which I want to do. Right, that is where that person stops being in the pack of sheep and he kind of diverts his route and then he develops his skill set, he kind of works on himself and that is where वो अपनी एक अलग path को develop कर करके then he reaches a point and that is where then other people start following him, that is where then he has already become a leader. Right, so yes, संगति का असर 100% पड़ता है. Right, but like I said, if you're an ambitious person, you can't be just ambitious and be in a pack of sheep. Right, if you're an ambitious person, you have to be determined. But then you should be like, okay, come what may, I need to do this.
Exactly.
Right, like now also, like Riddhan knows it that we have had an extremely tough week shooting and traveling, and you know there has been a lot of client meetings and stuff like that, strategies, there's so much going on, right? But still we chose to come here because I know like this is also important.
Exactly.
Correct, and I got to do this, so that's that.
So basically your thoughts are right, I have to do this. It's not like बाद में कर लेंगे, अभी कर लेंगे. This is scheduled, so it will be go right on time only. Because I have learned from you, I guess it's been like do whatever you are doing right now that you have decided. कल करेंगे, it already means in कल only.
Exactly. फिर वो चीजें टलती जाती है.
Yeah.
फिर then you tell me then how are you even leading?
Exactly.
Right? And in my opinion, leaders have an impact. Right? Leaders can be influencers, ठीक है, but leaders have an impact. Right?
Exactly.
Influencers may or may not be good leaders, but leaders can also influence and big time. So yeah.
मैम, आप कभी किसी से इन्फ्लुएंस हुए हो and whom do you consider as your leader?
Okay. So I think I've been influenced heavily by my parents for sure because जैसे मैंने बोला कि I've been raised in a very ambitious environment. ठीक है. And अगर leader की बात करें तो I don't think I consider anyone as a leader as of now. But yes, there are a few women who have actually impacted or whom I love to follow and उनका काफी impact है for sure. ठीक है. Maybe it's because of social media or maybe it's because what they have done for nations. ठीक है. So a few names to give would be Sudha Murthy. For sure, ठीक है, because with philanthropy and with business and the kind of subtle and traditional approach she has, वो काफी impactful रहा है. Then there is Michelle Obama, then there is Kamala Harris, then there is Oprah Winfrey, right? So these are the women who have actually, not just women, like even Barack Obama, Narendra Modi, they are like good leaders. And whom मैं क्या everyone would love to follow and क्योंकि उनका काम इतना substantial रहा है, right? And also I would like to put up to you guys this very important point that a leader will come across to you as a leader only when he or she has done something concrete and वो काम आपको दिखे, right? आई थिंक दैट मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. क्योंकि कोई बस वैसे ही बोले कि नहीं मैं लीडर हूँ, मैं बॉस हूँ, फॉलो मी, ठीक है, मैं जैसा बोलूँ वैसा ही करो. नहीं, एक लीडर को वो बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है, राइट? जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम ले रहे नरेंद्र मोदी जी का स्वच्छता भारत अभियान, राइट? He just himself, he started that movement and everybody else followed because he made a point over there, right? With reasoning, with correct reasoning. So that makes a huge difference. अगर उसकी जगह कोई एक normal boss होता, वो बोलता नहीं मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, तुमको भी ये करना ही है, ठीक है? So that comes like a dictatorship. That doesn't come like a leadership. Right? So you guys need to understand a huge difference here between influence, leadership and impact, and dictatorship. Correct?
मैम आपका क्या सजेशन रहेगा लाइक हम यंग जनरेशन के लिए कि एक अच्छा लीडर बनने के लिए, लीडरशिप क्वालिटी बिल्डअप करने के लिए ऐसे कौन से पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट्स हैं जिस पे हमें वर्क करना चाहिए ताकि हम लाइफ में एक अच्छा लीडर बन सकें?
Okay, I would say first and foremost you need to have extreme patience. राइट? क्योंकि बिना पेशेंस के तो दुनिया में कोई लीडर कहीं नहीं पहुंच पाया है, कोई लीडर बन ही नहीं पाया है, ठीक है? और वो लीडर इसीलिए है क्योंकि उसने इतना हार्ड वर्क किया है. एंड हार्ड वर्क की सबसे एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्वालिटी पेशेंस ही होती है, राइट? अगर पेशेंस ही नहीं रहेगा, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल उसके इर्द गिर्द इतनी सारी चीजें हो रही होती है, ठीक है, बट से सपोज इफ ही इज ऑल्सो लाइक हाइपर एक्टिव पर्सन कि अरे ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, वैसा नहीं हो रहा है, would you call that person a leader?
No.
See, your no came so unanimously, right? Ekdam se aaya wo no, right? Why? That is because you don't see that as a leadership quality, right? But say suppose if there is a person exactly opposite, right, in front of you, who is like, okay fine, got it, calm down, आप कुछ problem नहीं कर रहे हो, okay, let me first understand what the problem is, then I can find a solution for you. Or maybe finding the solution may not be my job, right? But at least I can tell you, okay, this is how you need to find a solution, right? So would you call that person a leader?
Yes.
Yeah? Correct?
Yes.
So that is a huge difference, right? So that sums it all. Like the leader never reacts, he always responds, right? That kind of sums up the whole thing. ठीक है? Action always has an equal and opposite reaction, right? But when you respond to things, that is when you take time to understand, analyze, and then you give your expert opinions on that, right? And leaders are not only restricted to only giving opinions. ठीक है, वो इनफैक्ट सिर्फ ओपिनियन देके वहाँ पे एक बात छोड़ नहीं देते हैं, वो आपके साथ बैठते हैं, उस प्रॉब्लम को पूरा सॉल्व करने का सारे पैतरे बताते हैं, उस प्रॉब्लम से बाहर निकलने के सारे सॉल्यूशंस में वो खुद भी इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, ठीक है? दैट इज व्हेयर यू से ना दैट लीड बाय एन एग्जांपल. करेक्ट? यू कैन नेवर बी अ सैंपल and call yourself a leader, but you should always lead by an example. That is where these things come in place, correct? That was your question, right? How do you develop personality traits, right? So the first is patience, that you react. You don't react, you only respond, correct? Second, I would say is work harder and complain lesser, right? बिकॉज लीडर, मैंने जैसे बोला, वो लीडर इसीलिए बना है बिकॉज उसने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया है एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू लुक अप टू हिम. उसको देशों दुनिया की खबर है, उसको सब ज्ञान है, उसको सब पता है कि ओके चलो ये करेंगे तो ऐसे होगा, इस सिचुएशन को ऐसे हैंडल करोगे तो वैसे होगा, राइट? नाउ यू विल से कि नहीं बट ये वो कर लेते हैं, हम नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है? देन माय फ्रेंड, देन you have already lost the game. You can never be a leader. Why? Because you are too much into complaining, right? You are already like अच्छा उनसे हो गया but हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. क्यों नहीं हो पाएगा? Why aren't you saying that अच्छा अगर वो कर सकते हैं तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं कर सकती हूँ, correct? What do you think that leaders, they don't have any pains or they don't feel like complaining? They do. Complaining is always an option. Right? Giving up is always an option, correct? But it's a choice not to give up. जब आप एक चीज को चुन रहे हो not to give up, right? तभी ही आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो, बट इफ यू चूजिंग कि यार नहीं, इट्स ओके, आई कैन गिव अप, ये नहीं तो कुछ और कर लेंगे, हाउ डू यू थिंक आर यू गोइंग टू ग्रो इन लाइफ? करेक्ट?
Yes.
तो दूसरे तो छोड़ो, आप खुद को भी फॉलो नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो दूसरे आपको क्यों ही फॉलो करेंगे? एंड देन यू एक्सपेक्ट दैट ओ एवरीवन शुड रिस्पेक्ट मी, नो,
Exactly.
दैट वोंट हैपन. ठीक है? एंड द थर्ड personality trait which you really need to develop is self motivation, right? Unless and until you are self motivated, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Like I said, बहुत options होते हैं, मेरे पास भी थे, आप सबके पास है, दुनिया में हर किसी के पास है options, भंडार लगा होता है options का, right? But हमारी जब तक reasonings correct नहीं होती ना, अब जैसे for example, why do you think a leader doesn't give up? It's because उसे exactly पता होता है कि वो क्यों कर रहा है, जो भी कर रहा है वो क्यों कर रहा है. ठीक है? जब उसकी रीजनिंग ही करेक्ट है, उसको पता है कि मुझे कब क्या करना है और क्यों करना है, ये करने से क्या होगा, इसके रिजल्ट्स क्या होंगे. He is not looking at the journey, he is looking at the destination, right? That is where the self motivation comes from. Correct? Like अभी बीच में एक इंडिया कॉन्क्लेव वाले some conference had happened जहाँ पे शाहिद कपूर got an award, right? And someone asked him also the same question, right? So what is motivation? He was like, money is always the motivation, right? At least he is being honest. And let's be honest that for all of us, money is equal to success, correct? So money is the motivation, right? Now if you think कि okay, अगर मैं ये so and so ABC चीजें करूँगा तो मुझे ये XYZ amount मिलेगा. So that is your motivation, correct? बट इफ यू आर सेइंग कि नहीं यार ठीक है, अगर मैं ABC ना भी कर दूं, JKL कर दूं, ठीक है, तो शायद मुझे LMNOP रिजल्ट मिलेगा. ओके, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? यू आर डाइवर्टिंग योरसेल्फ. करेक्ट? लीडर्स डोंट डाइवर्ट देमसेल्व्स. दे आर लाइक नो, आई नीड टू डू दिस and I will do each and everything possible to get this done. So self motivation, because the reasoning is always damn right, right? So to have those kind of personality traits, I hope that solves your question as well, Ridwan, that you know, personality traits, अगर आपको सच में लीडर बनना है तो सबसे पहले ये कोर पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स पे काम करो, अपने अंदर ये चीजों को इनकलकेट करो, and it will happen with time. Leaders are not born like this. It takes time. Correct? So yeah.